Welcome to my channel Learning English Grammar with Anuradha Teacher. Topic for the day is articles. Meaning. Articles are the words used to define whether something is specific or unspecific. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. The is a definite article, a and an are indefinite articles. Definite articles are used for specific nouns. Indefinite articles are used for non-specific nouns. Using a, an and the. A is used in front of singular countable nouns, a person, animal or thing, which are not specific. We don't use a before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, etc., a comes before the noun. Example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor. An is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. If the noun starts with a vowel a, e, I, o, u, an comes before the noun. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange. The. We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. To describe something or someone specific or unique. For example, the earth, the world, the sky, the air, the weather. When to use no article. To talk about things in general. For example, milk is good for us. To talk about sports and games. For example, let's go and play basketball. Before the names of country. For example, Japan, France, Italy. Before the name of a language. For example, we are learning English. Before the name of the meals. For example, they invited some friends to dinner. Before noun plus number. For example, the laboratory is in room 6 on the 3rd floor. Kindly share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.